Welcome to Carpedia, your ultimate destination for all things automotive. Get ready to rev your engines and embark on an exhilarating journey through the exciting and ever-evolving world of cars. Buckle up, gearheads, because we're about to take a closer look at the all-new Subaru BRZ TS 2024. This isn't your average BRZ, it's a fire-breathing beast built for the track and ready to dominate the streets. Just one look at the BRZ TS, and you know it means business. The aggressive body kit with its sharp lines and aerodynamic enhancements screams performance. The darkened front grille and those sleek 18-inch wheels wrapped in performance tires further amp up the sporty look. Let's not forget the signature BRZ headlights and taillights that give this Subaru a timeless and recognizable presence. Interior slip inside the BRZ TS, and you're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit designed for pure exhilaration. The bolstered Alcantara seats with red stitching hug you in place during those high-speed corners. The new flat-bottom steering wheel feels great in your hands, and the aluminum pedals add a touch of sportiness. The infotainment system is easy to use and integrates seamlessly with your smartphone. But let's be honest, in a car like this, all your focus will be on the road ahead. Now, let's talk about what truly sets the BRZ TS apart: its heart-pounding performance. Under the hood lies a retuned version of the Subaru Boxer engine, known for its low center of gravity and perfect balance. Expect sharper throttle response, increased horsepower, and an even more exhilarating driving experience. The upgraded suspension and braking system provide exceptional handling and control, making you feel one with the machine. Take it to a winding road, and the BRZ TS will dance through corners with precision and grace. Don't let the aggressive looks fool you. The BRZ TS is surprisingly practical for everyday driving. The comfortable seats ensure you won't feel beat up after a long journey, and the trunk offers enough space for weekend getaways. Whether you're carving up canyon roads or commuting to work, the BRZ TS is a versatile sports car that can handle it all. Thanks for watching my video. We hope you enjoyed the journey through the world of cars with us. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a pit stop on our automotive adventure. Keep those engines roaring, and we'll see you on the next episode of Carpedia. Until then, stay safe, stay tuned, and keep cruising.